So guys, in the last video we finished making this. So we took the ID as a parameter, object not found, and we got that error as well. We did that, but in this video we want to make the read functionality where we click this button and we get the individual post. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So basically I want to create a file called post.php. If you notice that we actually passed in the link post.php. So in post.php it's mostly from index.php, so I've just copy and paste that. What I want to change is I want to make it a h1. I want to make that the head, and I don't want to substring it. Let me just delete the function. I don't need this, I'm sorry. So I don't need to read more because we are in that post. So we want to change the query, which is insert into posts, and we want to give what we want to insert. So before that we want to define everything. So title equals, what is it? You don't want to insert anything, I'm sorry. It's just the same, there's nothing to change. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. So basically we don't want to fetch everything, we want to fetch a source, which means we are going to fetch the individual stuff. So we want to get the ID where we passed it in the previous videos. So ID, we want to get it from the get array. We passed in the ID on the link, so it's in the get array. So select everything from posts where ID equals ID. I hope this works, because by the way I didn't use this notation in the previous project, so hope it works. And that's it. Let me check. If I click read more, oh shit, how many errors? It's all on line 28, I see. Okay, wanna make this as a post. We don't need a for each. Yeah, I forgot that. I'm forgetting a lot of things. It's not good. We don't need a for each because this is an individual post. So it'll work now. Yeah. So if I click on post 2, it's post 2, and then we have that. So now we need an adding functionality. So we need to go to index.php, the main page, and we need to make a link for add post.php, and we want to send the ID as a parameter. I hope so. Echo post ID. Basically we are adding it, so I don't think we need the post PHP. I'm sorry, my bad. So add post. So if we go there, we get add post. So if I click on that, add post.php, that's working. So let me create add post.php. Now that's gonna have most of the stuff that is from index.php. I just copied it and pasted it. So the query is kind of a little bit different. So insert into posts. So we want to give the values that we want to get. So I'm sorry for that. So here we need a form, and we need an action, which is the current file itself, because we are not opening up a new file for that itself, that separately, sorry, PHP self. So through this, even if we change the file name, it's gonna work. So we are using post method. So inside this we need a label, so I would say title, and we have input and type text. The name I would get title, and we don't need an ID. So I'm just gonna copy paste this, because all of them are just gonna be based around this. So title, and we need the author, type text and name, author, and here we need the body, and it's not actually an input field but a text area, because we need a lot. Name, I want to give body, and after that I need a submit button, value submit, name submit. So after that, what I want to do is I want to listen for a click. So I would say if is set post submit, remember we gave it a name of submit. If that happens, then we want to get this up here. Wait, we don't want that, we just want in the connection. So paste that in. So after that I need the title, which is I'm getting it from the post array title. Now a thing I learned is we should put MySQL real escape string, which prevents from any hacking or stuff people can do. So I didn't see the use of it, but it's helpful even if you don't know what about it. So we need the author and the body, so we pass in everything, body, and then we want to make a query to insert into a database. So want to insert into posts, we want to insert the title, the author, and the body. Remember the ID and the created at is automatic, so all the stuff is done from the database itself. So the values of posts is the title. Remember we need to make it as a string, and the author and the body. So we want to close that, and after that we want to make the connection to the database and say that this is what we need. So connection query. Now we could do one thing which makes our code a lot more better, which is if this is successful, want to redirect them to the normal location, to the home page, which is going to be the root URL. So basically we had a file called config where we defined all the stuff, so I'm going to be using this to put root URL, because the root URL is going to be the home page, so we want to redirect them to the home page after they are done submitting the form. So I'm gonna say root URL, and I want to copy the root URL and paste it. I don't want to type the whole thing. So localhost slash host.php. So this is the one. So here we want to require that as well. So I'll change this to config.php, and here I would say root URL and concatenate it, and that's pretty much it. And if the connection is not proper and there is some problem in the query or something, so I want to say error, and I want to concatenate it to the error that is actually showed by MySQL improved. MySQL improved is what we say, MySQL. So there's that. So it should work. MySQL, I'm sorry, the app should work. So if I say add post, yeah, I got this error previously. We don't need the require. I don't know why it is like that, but yeah. So I wanna say this is post 3 for the title, and for the author I would say John. These are just random names from videos. So I wanna say for the body, I wanna say this is post 3. So if I click submit, it should redirect me and also put it in the database. Yeah, that worked, but the header didn't work. Why is that? Let me just check. Is there any problem with the title being saved in the database? It would cause a problem. I think that's the problem here. Yeah, the titles are not getting passed on. Why is it? Maybe this could work. This would cause two problems. So if I add another post, this is post 4, John, the same author as well. So I'll just say hello. This doesn't work as well. Why is a problem? So we actually concatenated with the error, so it should actually show up the error as well. Is it though showing the error? It doesn't show the error as well. So what's the problem? I'll get the problem and catch you guys. So actually the problem was that though we are using real escape string, we need to pass in the connection as the first parameter, because we are using the MySQL function, so we need the connection even though we do require it. So hope that would work. These are some of my tries. So now we go to app. This is post 5, author me. If I just say done, I click on submit, and here we have it. The reason why it's giving the two both of them is because I said even though it becomes successful, do it again, but it shows up an error. So let me cut that. So we have the add post and read post functionality. Now we need to make what update, yeah, update functionality. So for each post we go to post.php and we have a URL which goes to edit post.php, and we want to pass in the ID this time because we want to know what post to edit. We want to echo out, what do we want to echo out? Post and the current ID of it, and we want to say edit. So let me make let me close this, edit post.php. So in this we basically I'm sorry for the noise. We basically need from add post, yeah, from add post it's just the same thing. Wait, is it? Yeah, it is, but the query is kind of different, so there's that. So we need to get the ID right here because we are passing in the ID. Let me just check if we're passing in the ID. Let me say I want to read edit this. Yeah, edit ID is equals to 8 and that's working. So what I want to do is just a basic thing. I want to select from post where ID equals the ID that we mentioned. So basically what's happening is we're getting the ID, we want the current ID 8, and we want to fill in these forms where the ID is equals to 8. So let me just go here, refresh, and this is taking a lot of time to refresh. So if you see, oh my god, so if you see there's 8, so it will take the values that are in 8 and then apply it in the values. So it's selecting everything, query is all done. So here we want to mention the values because we want the current value to be inside the input, and here I want to say PHP echo post and the title of the current what do I say, current post, yeah, current post. I'm running out of charge, so I should finish it quick. PHP echo post, what is this, author, and here we don't have a value, but inside it we want to give a PHP echo, we want to echo PHP body. I'm sorry, let me refresh this. What's the problem? Undefined post. We need the posts query as well, so let me copy this, put that in edit post. So now it should work. Undefined variable ID, it's a problem with read the result, and selected. Everything is done. Maybe I think this is the problem. MySQL live query, and I'll do that. just show up the problem. Line 48 and 48. I think there's some problem here. So I think it should work now. Oh shit. 925. Yeah, at line 25. So what's the problem? We're getting everything, and I think the concatenation is a problem. Undefined host. Host is undefined. So I'll just figure out the error and get back with you guys.